Hello everyone, this is Lazarus at telecom.Tech. Well, it's been a short while now that I've completed the series of videos on Border Gateway Protocol, covering the fundamentals of the operation of BGP. But of course, there's always more to say. And for this reason, I just want to let you know that if you have any questions that weren't resolved or covered in my series, you now have a chance to ask them here. Put your question in the comments below, and soon I will create a video that will address the most frequent as well as the most relevant questions about BGP. I won't be able to respond to all of them, but be sure that if your question is good and if it's asked by multiple people, I will address it. So take a look again at my BGP YouTube playlist using the link in the description below, and let me know your questions. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, if you want to get updates to newly published content, please subscribe and activate your notifications for my channel. I'm Lazarus at telecom.Tech, where telecom and networking technologies are simply explained.